Hey guys, it's Taylor Claypack on Gemmy Master Animatronics, and today what I have to review for you is the Frankenstein animated doorbell. I believe this guy was sold at Lowe's in 2020, and I don't remember seeing it. I don't even remember if I went to Lowe's in 2020, to be honest with you guys. I know there was this one walkthrough video that I did where I went to like 6 stores during like the Halloween season, and I don't remember if Lowe's was one of them, but 2020 was really about like literally the time that I started coming back into animatronics and doing YouTube videos on that stuff. So, but anyway, this was another item that I got in my Macari lot that I've been mentioning in a lot of my videos now. And yeah, that's really all I have to say about this item. I don't really have that much to say, which of course that's not the first time you've heard me say that either. But anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the actual doorbell out of the little box that it came in and move it so I can start showing you guys the actual box portion. It just says Frankenstein animated doorbell, Universal Monsters, and I don't know how well you can see, it's got that glare in there, so now you guys can see better. Anyway, and then it just has some details on the back side. It just says lights up, and it has a picture of the doorbell hung up. And then it just says Frankenstein animated doorbell, speak spooky phrases, and it says 2020 Gemmy Industries Corporation down here, if you guys could see that. Universal. So, yep. That's the little box for you. And I'm sure you guys could probably tell that this review is going to be rather short. I mean, we're only in like 2 minutes. But anyway, so yeah, this is the doorbell itself. As you can see, it says Frankenstein on the top. And back here, as you can see, it does say Universal City Studios on the top there, and then there's the speaker, the hanging hole, the battery compartment right here, and it has the Gemmy logo on it, if you can see that okay. And it takes 3 AAA batteries. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and show it to you, and hopefully it ends up coming out okay on camera. I can't really say whether or not it will, because I know the last video that I did of a doorbell, it didn't come out as well as I was hoping it would. But without further ado, I'm just going to go ahead and show this to you. It's a little bit more green when it lights up, but I'm just going to try it again, see what happens. Up closer.
It's alive! It's alive! Yes! Yes!
But yeah, that's really the only animation that it has. And I have another doorbell that looks very similar to this actually, but I did a review of that already, so if anyone's interested, the link will be down in the description if you feel like watching it. But yeah, and this is the doorbell that was mentioned in that video too, because I was like, oh, you know, I'm gonna, you know, or I plan to review this for you or something like that. There's this other doorbell that I have that I plan to review that's similar to this one. I don't remember what I said, but it was something like that. Anyway, but yeah, this is the one, except, you know, because the other one that I have, it still obviously looks like a coffin, looks very similar to this, has same coloring and such. It just doesn't have all this, and it doesn't say Frankenstein, but yeah, so that's basically it for this review. I personally like this item. I kind of wish it had a few more phrases or something, but that's really the only animation and stuff that it has. But overall, I think it's pretty cool. I've been a pretty big fan of the doorbells, which I'm sure some of you guys could probably tell considering the fact I had some for review. So, yeah, I guess I'll just activate it one more time and end it here.
It's alive! It's alive! Yes! Yes!
Okay, so that's basically it, and that concludes this review of the Frankenstein animated doorbell. I almost couldn't talk there for a second. From 2020 at Lowe's, I think. So yeah, I'll be sure to do more videos for you guys at some point, hopefully soon. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video overall, and thank you very much for watching.